today we're going to Udupi.
Every roads.
So we're going to the shortcut.
Huh?
Yeah, Dada? I don't know. Hi, Dada.
Hello, good morning.
Going to the shortcut, Dada?
Yeah, this is a shortcut.
Shortcut, but it's like
Way also, no? We're going to Udupi.
inside, not the main highway though.
Yeah, this is the shortcut, right?
This is the shortcut because when you go in the shortcut, it's
It will be reached soon.
When you go in the shortcut, it will be easy for you to go there.
So we're showing you guys the way.
The way to go to Udupi.
Okay. So guys, this is the way.
To go
What you call this? This is still Pampur, right?
This is Padubelle.
Padubille.
Murubelle.
Padubille.
Same Mudubelle, it's Padubelle.
Murubelle.
Temple.
Huh?
Temple.
Why?
What why?
Why they put the temple there?
Temple is everywhere. Yeah.
This is Murubelle.
Not Mudubille, this is Padubille.
Padubelle like
We
Murubelle.
used to buy snacks before.
Now it's
When Papa is there, he used to
from
Yeah.
here.
snacks.
I miss Papa.
Ah, doggy.
Where?
It's over there.
Where? Where?
It's gone already.
Where I saw? I did not saw.
It's breaking the stone.
Which? Why?
Make it well.
To making well. Can make also
Well.
water well. Same as there. No? We have well. Guys, ito yung temple.
This is the bridge.
And this is the bridge.
Wallah habibi.
It's called something, I forgot the name.
Another bridge.
Wow, in Murubelle also have a village.
Yeah,
Yeah,
There's a
same, the same water passing here also. See the bridge there, the same water
Yeah.
coming there.
It's only one way.
That's the water going to the sea.
That
You
is
see the big bridge there when we are going in the highway Udupi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is.
Yes.
See lots of coconut here.
cow eating grass.
It's not from the corn.
I forgot to buy corn.
Mama, do cow eat grass?
Of course, no?
What
That is their food.
about milk?
Milk is the
Cow
cow
drinks milk.
produce. Cow eating.
gives milk, eating grass.
Cow is eating grass so that they can give milk. This that way.
This is going Udupi.
Murubelle and going to Udupi. This way. It's lots of trees. Yeah, Arlene? Lots of trees.
Grass.
Trees.
There is another way. Try it also.
That way.
I'll show you that. So now this is going to Padubelle also. See, you see there is written Pattana Padubelle.
Okay. I think we pass there or not?
I want to try that road. I want to check where it's
This is
church also.
Murubelle church.
No, this is Kuntal Nagar.
What?
Kuntal
Nagar.
Oh, fire!
smoke.
Fire!
Fire.
Everyone looking at the smoke of fire. You say can smell. Oh, you're so fast!
Dada, slowly. My heart is jumping.
My heart is not jumping. Hello. Whoa. I don't want to fall down.
Dada.
Dada's driving very fast like a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. I don't know how I learned Lamborghini.
Straight you go Katpadi.
Ah, that one. Katpadi.
They are going to
Katpadi.
Kapadi.
This one, Manipal and Udupi and Manipal. This way.
The truck is also going there.
This also this Vijaya Lighthouse.
Sushi. Sushi? Chuchi.
Suchi.
Ah, yeah. I remember. We went there, no?
I went there.
Yeah, you come also.
Yeah, when you was in when I was going with Vijay Mama and the bike. He was in the house.
You remember that one?
He was in the house and I was going with Vijay Mama. Before. This is
village. Yeah.
No village. What is
Look at that, guys.
The truck.
The coconut in the truck.
Coconut. Tender coconut.
The coconut. See,
Big
look at
coconut.
that.
Make
Full
it.
of coconut.
You know what they call in Tulu? Bonda.
Bonda. Lots of bonda.
There is a lot of bunda of coconuts.
Bonda.
It's a lot of.
Coconuts. They're giving to everyone.
No, you need to buy that
you
one.
need to
no?
buy. You need to pay money. They will not give you free.
Yes, one piece is maybe 30.
30 pesos.
Maybe 20. Police sergeant?
Where?
Oh my god. Police function.
Maybe there is some. What is the? That is Udupi?
Yes, this is the.
How come this is the Udupi? You said this is the Udupi. You said this is Udupi. Say this is Udupi. This is Udupi, not this is Udupi.
This is Udupi.
Why we're going that side?
We are here now, guys, in Udupi. Arlene, come. May asikasuhin lang kami.
St. Mary's School is here.
Okay.
They should have.
So going to Manipal, guys. Tapos na kami.
The mall.
Ah, yeah. I forgot. Sorry.
Mama,
There is a new KFC there. So that will take us in KFC, and Orlin, she's missed the KFC. So we need to go in which mall that one? Pearl, Binang? I forgot. Ocean Pearl na mall sa labas. Meron dong KFC. At the outside of the mall, there is a new KFC there. So we were going there.
we're going to the new caps
It's been a long time we did not eat KFC.
in India.
Then Orlin want to eat. And see you guys there in KFC.
Yeah, because we never eat KFC in India, so we try to find KFC in India.
Trying to eat. No, you eat there before, no?
Yeah?
Before, yes.
How come?
Eat already.
When our mommy was here,
Yes, your mommy is here.
she was eating what she
Yes,
eat.
yes.
She eat rice.
Yes.
She eat rice with chicken.
Yes.
I miss my mommy. My mommy.
You miss my
Of course, my papa too. Papa. Mommy and papa.
Maya and Aba.
It's okay. You can say mommy and papa.
Orlin is calling my
It also
Mommy.
for you.
Yeah.
Kid you.
Orlin calling Aba, Papa. Times Square, baby. Not Ocean Pearl.
Ocean Police Hotel.
Okay. Guys, we are taking the name of that what you call that one?
Cat.
The mall is Ocean Pearl. That is Times Square Mall.
What you said before?
We tell that Ocean Pearl, the name of that mall. But the thing is, the name of that mall is Times Square Mall.
Then what you say before?
Ocean Pearl. It's a traffic.
Police.
Yeah, see the police. After police will catch you. Yes.
If they say stop, you will move. Then after that, they will catch you.
We are here now in Times Square.
That KFC?
Yeah.
No parking.
I think there will be.
Ahira!
No, there's car. Here you can climb on it.
There's stairs.
Tada, where are you? Nandito kami guys sa mall. Tawag dito. Nagpalamig. Nagpalamig kami.
Then what? Pauline, what you make shopping? Hold your bottle. Hold your bottle.
Guys, look!
What is that?
I don't know where is that car.
There, the white one. There, the first white one. Look here. Come, let's go.
Come here.
Where you will go now? You miss KFC?
Look there.
Where? That is not KFC. That is pizza. That is pizza. Kailan go? Push or pull. This one, other side. Thank you. Thank you.
Orlen. What you gonna eat? Where are you? KFC.
Always KFC.
Orlen, long time she did not eat KFC. That's why we come here to eat KFC. We order already, guys. Pogi burger, Dada burger, and Orlen. Chicken.
Then fries, then drinks.
Chicken.
Chicken, banana.
Dada taking our order. It's coming.
We didn't have it.
Wow.
This is coming on me.
It's cold. Burger.
Like for me.
Wow.
Like for me.
No. There is the straw.
And for Dada. And for Orlen. This is my order. Chicken burger, Orlen.
I got
Chicken. And Dada, what Dada got? Wow, burger. Yet guys, I miss this chicken KFC. Dada. Dada eating. You miss this?
Long time.
Long time. Kain na kami, guys. It's finished na. Done our lunch. Ulit.